How to exclude segments and tags on MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can exclude segments and tags in MailChimp. Now, now, I would like you to know that MailChimp has added a new feature. And that feature is that you can always exclude those people that you do not want them to receive your new campaign. Okay. Now, how do you get about this? The first thing to notice that for you to exclude segments or tags, you have to have gotten an audience. If number one, and the second thing is that you must have added tags. Okay, that's it. Sorry, added segments. This must have added segments of people. This means that your audience can be segmented. Okay, your audience, you can have VIPs, you can have simple subscribers, you can have paid subscribers depending on how you've segmented them. Now, if perhaps you want to send an email to only your VIPs and then you don't want the simple subscribers to have that email, you can do it on MailChimp. How do you do this? First thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account, and then once you've logged in, navigate through to the campaigns page by clicking on the campaigns page. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the page where you can where you see your emails, or you can create a new email depending on the one you want. So we just go ahead and click on one of the emails here. Okay, just click on edit. And then once you click on edit, you'll be brought to this page where you have to select add recipients. All right, so just go ahead and click on it. Now, currently I do not have contacts on my account. That is why it is displaying this. But for you, since you have your audience already and then you have your segments already, your audience will be displayed here as well as your segments below it. So just go ahead and then you click on, when you click on audience, select all audience. Then when you get to segment, select the segments that you do not want the email to get to. All right, you would have seen it on the box that select the segment that you do not want the email to get to. So just select the segment. Note that you can only select one segment per time. You cannot select two or three, just one. That is, you can only exclude one segment per time. Just go ahead, select the segment. Once you're done selecting, click on save and it will be saved automatically. Then you go ahead, fill the other requirements here, which is the form, subject, send, complete your designing of the email, and then you send it. Once you send the email, those in the segments that you've excluded will not get this email. So this is how you can exclude segments and tags on MailChimp. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.